Well, hello, Facebook, YouTube, friends and family, subscribers. Oh yeah, them non-subscribers. Hey, don't just look at all my stuff and don't hit a little button. How hard is it? Well, we're out here today. All the pros is gone. This is Wednesday after that big tournament they had. A lot of good weights were caught. Of course, they canceled the day that was supposed to be rough. And I understand why. I was actually fishing in that tournament that we had it so bad folks didn't even make it back in. Anyway, I understand it. We out here today, we're getting beat up. Keep an eye on where these fish are moving to. If you like bass fishing, you gotta know that Santee Cooper has always been the place to be for largemouth. Even many years ago when there wasn't hardly anybody actually fishing for largemouth, people called them trash fish, but they were big then. They're still big now. There is a lot of water here, and I'm gonna tell you is everything looks fishy right here. Yep. Oh yeah. The idea is you got to figure it out. We did real good with them yesterday, figured them out late. It is now 2:40. About the time yesterday we started catching them good. I'm going to go hit another little spot that I didn't try yesterday. Letting y'all know what's going on this March, windy 2022. Crazy weather. I've seen a lot of people out here. Cat Brad says be safe, be smart, don't do nothing stupid. Alright, YouTubers, subscribe, like, it's easy to do. Hit the button. I mean, that's so easy, isn't it? Alrighty, just so you get a preview. Yep. Get ready to get out here where it's windy. Alright, we're gonna have to rock and roll or get wet.